We're in Old Orchard Gallery, and we are at the Food for Thought show presented by Webster Arts. It has a broad sort of theme, anything food related or anything that had even sort of a tangential relationship to food could have been submitted. So we have an amazing variety of pieces in the show, and when I first started looking through the pieces, I think because in all honesty I've never juried before, this was a once-in-a-lifetime wonderful opportunity. I was cognizant of wanting to represent fiber arts and watercolor and printmaking. And what I realized was not only was there a diverse amount of materials used and technique, but there was also a very diverse way of interpreting the theme. I joked at the reception that apparently I'm drawn to paintings of raw meat. I don't know why. I find them beautiful in some way. So we have a couple paintings of raw meat. We have a giant pork chop, for example. We have still life paintings of fruit, some of them with stickers still on them, which is great. We also have amazing watercolors of places in St. Louis that were of culinary significance, done by Marilyn Bradley. Not every piece is aesthetically pleasing either. Behind me is this amazing, amazing painting of sliced cake that when you look at it, your mouth waters and everything in you just wants to eat that cake. But we also have a sketch that is of rotting food on a countertop with a rat crawling across it. And both of those are profoundly beautiful, and they both belong in the show. And we also have very sort of interpretive pieces that aren't as obvious necessarily. We have one that is very striking and very powerful that's about infertility. They use sort of this lens of a dozen eggs that have been cracked. So it doesn't have to be specifically about food, but it's all sort of related to food and using food as sort of a very elegant medium. So with my background as a writer, I'm constantly reminded that everyone has an opinion on food. Everybody is passionate about food, everybody loves food. No one has lukewarm feelings about what they eat. And that's great. There are few things that elicit that much passion in our lives. Food for Thought is at the Old Orchard Gallery. It's showing through August 6th. And you can find out more information by going to the Webster Arts website, which is webster-arts.org.